Today we're in Portage at the Celery Flats. If you don't know where that is, it's just outside of Kalamazoo. And we started hiking the area because we thought it was cool to check out, but then we figured out that you can just rent these with your phone. So that's what we're going to do, and we're gonna go explore the area. One of my favorite things to do when I get to a historical area like this with all these cool old buildings is I read these signs as if I know what I'm talking about as we tour the area. This is Celery Flats Historical Area, named after, you guessed it, celery, and the area's history with celery farming. The grain elevator, Stewart Manor, the schoolhouse, and the Hayloft Theater are all historic buildings that were moved here and restored in the 90s for the community to enjoy. Now that we've enjoyed it, we're gonna continue down the trail.
So you can go, I think we go down and just check out all these parks along this route here.
Sweet.
This is so cool. I want one of these right by my house. This is so cool and so nice.
I've never seen one.
I haven't either in person.
Andy, if I'm being honest, I'd want to spend most of my time at that dog park, but I don't have my dog with me, so that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, perfect. Bye.
There we are, locked up.
That's easy. All right, I'm hungry.
Me too.
I'm going to do the haze. That's extremely good. Extremely good.
I like the color.
Yeah. I am excited for the cowboy tots. Here's the excellent part about this. This brewery has a mini golf attached to it. So it's got a outdoor beer garden and it's got 9 holes of mini golf. They give you a plastic cup and we're gonna go play. Well, this has been fun. I've enjoyed this a lot. Until next time, cheers.